In this video, we'll be reviewing the maintenance steps for the Slimline LS. Remove the decorative panel and condenser grill. Check coil for dirt accumulation. Clean to remove dirt buildup. Use a brush and vacuum to clean the coil. Remove the decorative panel and evaporator grill. Clear out the external drain line. Clean and blow out drain line to clear any obstructions. Reconnect drain line and fitting when completed. Check the control for dirt, debris, and loose terminations. Clean and tighten electrical connections as needed. Reinstall the grills and decorative panels. Next, power on the system. Check fan operation and confirm the evaporator and condenser fans are running. Check controller probes for proper operation. Check PB1, 2, and 3 temperatures. Clean bottle probe by wiping it with a towel or rag and change the water inside the wine bottle. Check integrity of all panels on the equipment. Replace fasteners to ensure integrity and proper fit of equipment. Repair or replace damaged panels.